Hey, if you want to enable camera watermark on your Realme C67, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Into the camera, and right here we have to go into the settings by tapping on the three lines in the right upper corner and go into the settings. And from here we can find the watermark. So if you want to turn it on, you can just click right here. And from here we can set where we want to add this watermark for the photos, videos, or for example on the both of them. And below we can also add the device model, so it will be shown right here. Also we can add date and the time, so there's this information. But we have to get at least one item, so we cannot turn off the date and time, but you can add your custom text. And then you have to click save, and it will appear just right here. You can also adjust the font size, so you can get big font size and position, for example, at the top. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.